Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for continually watching all my videos. In our last video, we used ChatGPT as our 24/7 assistant, but we're going to be sharing a few more videos today, a few more apps today, a few more tools today on how we can make more money. Money in different currencies, in dollars, in euros, and we're going to be making so much money online together. Let's dive into the 5 AI tools that we can use to make money online. 5 AI tools for making money online. Wow, are you ready? Please subscribe. Okay, let's go to the first one. We have the Opus clip for turning long videos to short viral clips. Short viral clips. This is suitable for your TikTok. When you want to create videos, short clips for your TikTok, it's very, very helpful. It's also helpful for your YouTube shorts. It makes it more concise and more beautiful and trendy. It helps you with your Instagram reels, your Instagram shorts, and we're going to be making sure that we auto-generate viral short videos. This saves time and you're growing fast. The next one, we have the Copy.ai. Yes, your personal content writing assistant. You want to go to your browser, you're going to type Copy.ai and this will show up. This is the page. Beautiful, very self-explanatory page. These are the items on the page. You scroll up, you read up, and you're able to master how to use this particular tool to be able to make you so much content. It's going to be writing all your script. It's going to be helping you to make auto correction and generate a beautiful story for you, a beautiful content for you. These are the kind of apps that you would really need to download in your phone. It's going to even generate the content for you, like tell you the trendy content that you can use for your niche. Okay, so I would need you to have this app on your phone. These are apps that you should have handy, or you use your browser, browse them. You can use your Chrome, you can use your Opera Mini, any of the apps that you have in your phone. Search for Copy.ai, Copy.ai, and you'd have yourself a very beautiful tool, a very powerful tool that you can use to generate content. You can be able to write your script with this. Okay, we'll go over to the second one. We have the Pictory. You turn your scripts into videos. Okay, so those scripts that you have generated with Copy.ai, you turn them into videos. You want to go to your browser and you type it in and this is going to pop up. This is a very self-explanatory page, just as we have for the Copy.ai. So we have the best AI video generator for you. Is going to be generating those scripts. You just copy it and then you paste it here on Pictory. It gives you beautiful content that you would want to love. Just go through it and see what the page really looks like. Can you see that? You can even add captions. Beautiful page. Can you watch that? See that? Wow, beautiful page. Leonardo for creating stunning images and digital assets. If you're a designer, you want to go to your browser now and type Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai. Beautiful space here. I'm enjoying myself right here. I'm enjoying this app. It's a beautiful app. It's something that you would want to, it's a space you would want to just stay there. Just stay there. You don't want to go anywhere anymore. Just stay here. Scroll through, see the parts that really connects with you and you connect back to it. It's a beautiful space here, trust me. If you're a designer, you're into digital assets, you want to advertise your product, you need this app handy. You need this particular Leonardo.ai handy. Okay, let's go. The next one, Notion AI. It helps you to organize your content. It helps you to generate ideas. It helps you to write outlines, and it helps you to manage your tasks. You're able to manage your tasks. So yes, you go to your browser again and you type Notion AI. Notion AI. Notion AI. Here you go. These are the logos. These are the signs that you're in the right space, and the right things that you're looking for is right here. Remember, we're all about making money online, and I need you to handle these tools very carefully. Okay, it's loading. There we go. An AI workspace that works for you. So I want you to go through this page and be able to explore it and check the parts that you would like to use. It's a very self-explanatory page. You click on the icons, you read about it, and be sure to study the page before you can embark on this successful journey that you're about to get into. Yes, so we're going to be combining these AI tools to get even more power. Copy AI, we write the scripts with Copy AI, and then we move on to Pictory, where we use to create the video, and then Opus clip, we repurpose it. Are you ready to create magic? You can try this today and thank me later.